I was holding a class for another community just the other day where we were like talking about lead generation systems. The thing we showed them was how to use Claude and how to text Claude to do things, because that's something they can understand, they can use, and they can make practical. I've built systems for clients in the past where I give it to them. I literally record 30-minute Loom videos and here's how you use this. I give literally everything to them, and within 2-3 weeks, they forget, they don't touch it, and then a year later, they'll message me and they'll ask for help on how do I reactivate this, how do I use this. So it's simplicity. People overcomplicate a lot of things with AI. I think the simpler you make it, the better it is. However, it's harder and harder to make it simpler and simpler. It's a loop.
Yeah, I guess it is also like an exponential curve of development. So I guess if you can just query the AI on how to rebuild systems to make it the most efficient based on the new tools, it's probably the best way. And so is that what you're doing with Claude?
The example that we gave you yesterday in that class was Claude now allows you to connect all of these tools. Like Claude made it so you can connect Notion to it, you can connect Canva to it, you can connect, in our case yesterday, we connected Appify to it, which is like a scraper. And people had to learn how to use scrapers, do things with scrapers. Now you can connect Appify to Claude and you tell it to go find me leads on LinkedIn. It cannot get simpler than that. We used to have to build a whole automation that connects to a chatbot that you custom code, that you have to text to do the same thing. Now it's Claude. And I think over the next years, most of these tools like Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, they're going to become more and more practical. And the nice thing with that is most business owners, small solo entrepreneurs, they can literally use apps on their phone and things they already have to do the basic automation that they used to have to hire people for. And then the things you actually have to automate are more complex tasks, which you worry about down the line when you've made money.
If you've enjoyed this episode of the Lead and Alert podcast and you want to learn how you can automate your sales online right now, just comment the word Boo below and we'll send you over a link so you can try BooSend for completely free.